Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best random orbital sander in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best random orbital sander that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Bosch 3727DEVS Orbit Palm Sander. The Bosch 3727DEVS is one of the few 6-inch sanders that we're reviewing. While a difference of 1 inch between this and the 5-inch sanders might not seem like a lot, the larger surface area does make jobs go a little faster and look a little smoother. This is because less movement is required to cover the same area, which makes each pass of the sander look more uniform. A unique feature about this sander is that there are 2 modes. Regular, which you would use for normal sanding and finishing. But there's also turbo mode, which moves at 5 times the regular rate for when you need to sand through coarser or more heavy-duty items. This sander is the priciest one that we reviewed, but it has the power and features to justify the price. The different modes alone make it more useful than some other sanders. Plus its powerful motor and range in speed make it effective on a variety of jobs, including heavier jobs that the other sanders we reviewed might not be able to hand as well. Moving on at number 4, we have the Porter Cable Random Orbit Sander. Porter Cable's 6-inch Random Orbit Sander packs power and versatility into a frame small enough for everyone to use. One thing worth noting is that it requires 2 hands to operate. A selling point for orbit sanders is that you can use and control them with only one. For that, however, you get a powerful 4.5 amp motor that allows it to get the same work down with fewer orbits per minute than other random orbit sanders. At higher speeds, it'll chew down wood. At lower speeds, it's gentle enough that it comes with a polishing pad so you can use it on your car. That's a great range of potential. It is expensive, more so than most of the other random orbital sanders we looked at. If you want something that can sand down wood 1 hour and then buff out your car the next, it's probably worth the investment. If you don't need something quite that versatile, you can find a less expensive option. At number 3, we have the Bosch ROS-20VSC Palm Sander. If you are looking for the best orbital sander that gives you the freedom to optimize your sanding speed, then you should consider the Bosch ROS-20VSC Palm Sander. This orbital sander allows you to match the speed of the tool to your application. It is also very easy for those with smaller palms to operate, as the variable speed dial is positioned in an easy-to-reach place. You can also use this Bosch model to work for hours without feeling fatigued, thanks to its compact and ergonomic design. One of the most outstanding features of this tool is its pad dampening system. This feature helps to get rid of swirl marks on both contoured and flat surfaces. Sanding pads stick to the hand sander thanks to the signature hook and loop disc attachment system of Bosch. The variable speed control of this unit is backed by a 2.5 amp motor. The sanding speed of this Bosch random orbit sander ranges from 7,500 to 12,000 orbits per minute. It comes with a pretty long cord that measures 8 feet, and it provides you with all the freedom you need while sanding. The dust collection system traps dust and particles that are as small as 0.5 micron in diameter. There's a soft carrying case included that makes it very easy to transport. At number 2, we have the Makita BO5041K 5-inch Random Orbit Sander Kit. Makita is one of the most respected brands when it comes to power tools and accessories, and it has produced a ton of excellent machines. The Makita BO5041K lives up to the name. This tool is very easy to handle and use, thanks to its multiple grip options. It has an ergonomic rubberized palm grip and handle for enhanced control and operator comfort. The top grip is also there to allow you to apply more pressure while sanding. This orbital sander delivers very smooth results, thanks to its powerful motor and variable orbital speed. It also features a large 1/8-inch random orbit action for super smooth and fast buffing. This Makita model is another high-performance orbital sander, with a 3-amp motor that delivers great sanding speed. It also offers variable speed control that allows you to customize the speed of the tool to suit your application. The speed range of this Makita sander is from 4,000 to 12,000 orbits per minute. It also comes with a pad control system that gives you full control over the sanding pad speed when the tool starts up. The dust collection system is also effective, as it does a pretty good job of keeping your workspace clean. The pad brake is also there for reduced gouging and increased performance. And finally, at number 1, we have the Dewalt DWE6423K Random Orbit Sander 5-inch. The Dewalt DWE6423K Random Orbit Sander is one of the best orbital sanders on the market. It is the number 1 choice of many woodworkers, and it is very popular for its speed and effective dust collection system. Dewalt designed this tool to keep your workspace free of debris and dust, with a dust bag that comes with a one-hand locking system, making it very easy to use. If you are looking for the best random orbital sander that delivers a variable speed control, then this is the right tool for you. This unit comes with a powerful 3-amp motor that delivers a variable speed between 8,000 and 12,000 orbits per minute. The height of the tool is short, and this helps to reduce the distance between the user and the workpiece. It comes with a rubber over mold that makes the tool very easy to hold and work with. This feature also helps to reduce user fatigue over prolonged use. Dewalt also designed this 5-inch random orbit sander to reduce vibration, and this allows you to use the tool for an extended period without feeling fatigued. This product also comes with a carrying case to help keep your tools organized. It also comes with a dust-sealed switch to prevent dust and debris from entering the tool. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.